A lot of recipes call for beef broth. The lowest beef broth I could find at my grocery store was 440 milligrams of sodium for 1 cup. We can make 1.5 cups for 10 milligrams of sodium. And it has worked great in everything I've cooked with it. Soups, stews, rice dishes, casseroles. Turns out just fine. All it takes, 1.5 cups of bottled water with no sodium in it. My tap water would add 50 milligrams, and I don't want to do it because I am the sodium attacker. 2 packages of Herb Ox sodium-free beef bouillon. My grocery store and Walmart has these. Kitchen Bouquet. Buy it where your ketchups are at your grocery store. 1 teaspoon has 10 milligrams of sodium. We're going to use 1 teaspoon, 2 packages, 1.5 cups of water. If your recipe calls for a thicker broth, you can thicken it with a little bit of flour. And you can have those recipes that you love, that you've cooked for your family before, and you need a beef broth. In the description for this video is a link. If you click on that link, it will take you directly to my low sodium cooking for 1 to 20 people. Lots of recipes that you can make and freeze in your family's size, because we can't go to the store and buy prepared frozen meals. You can purchase that whole course for $9.99. There are lectures and recipes in there for food that you can prepare and freeze for your family. Beef stroganoff that is so good. Sloppy Joes and others. Please subscribe to my channel. Click on the little bell. I'll be posting a new low sodium tip or low sodium recipe every week. You just don't know what you're going to see.